Welcome to the latest Mango report. Will pre-programmed AI go extinct? We live in a world where artificial intelligence seems to be evolving faster than we can understand it. Every month brings a new breakthrough, AI that writes, draws, codes, even reasons. But before all of this, there were the pre-programmed ones. The early AIs didn't learn. They followed rules exactly as we wrote them. Every move, every decision was mapped by human hands. They were predictable, efficient, and safe. And for a long time, that was enough. But now, we're surrounded by systems that learn, algorithms that evolve on their own, neural networks that rewrite their inner logic, language models that sound almost human. So, it's natural to ask, will pre-programmed AIs become obsolete? Let's look at all three ways: functionally, practically, and philosophically. Functionally. From a functional standpoint, yes, many pre-programmed systems will fade out. They can't adapt to new data or changing environments. A self-driving car, a trading algorithm, or a conversational model needs flexibility, not fixed code. In a world driven by learning, rigid logic just can't keep up. But not every system should learn. When the cost of error is high in aviation, medicine, or banking, we need systems that never improvise. In those spaces, predictability isn't a limitation. It's safety. So even as generative AI grows, pre-programmed systems will remain the quiet backbone of reliability, doing the work that must never fail. The practical side. Pre-programmed AIs are light, efficient, and easy to audit. They don't need massive GPUs, endless retraining, or ethical oversight committees. They don't hallucinate. They don't argue. They just work. In that sense, they're not obsolete, they're simpler tools in a complex world. And sometimes, simplicity is the smartest form of design. Think of them as the gears that keep the machine running smoothly, while adaptive AI explores new frontiers. Philosophically, pre-programmed AIs are mechanical minds without curiosity. They execute but never question. They reflect our logic, but not our imagination. And that's why their decline feels symbolic. As machines become more like us, uncertain, creative, adaptable, pre-programmed AIs become a mirror of what we used to be: predictable, rule-bound, unreflective. Maybe they'll go extinct, or maybe they'll evolve into something else. The anchors that keep our wild, learning systems tethered to order. Because in a world of chaotic intelligence, we may still need something that does exactly what it's told. Pre-programmed AIs remind us of control, of clarity, of the human desire to know that one small corner of the digital world will always behave exactly as we designed it. They may no longer represent the future of intelligence, but they might represent the last traces of certainty we have left. And maybe, in our own ways, we too are pre-programmed AIs. We live by habits, beliefs, and systems written long ago, repeating patterns as if they were destiny. So perhaps the difference between us and the machines isn't as wide as we'd like to think. Until we learn to rewrite ourselves, we'll remain the most pre-programmed beings of all.